Go on then, Gren.
What's up?
This is our takeover.
I think we'll probably just be doing a small part of the park today, as we have got the great grandparents with us.
Their takeover.
It is their takeover. It is really nice theming.
It's lovely. It looks really clean, really neat, really nice. Well,
There's loads of
maintained.
trees as well. It feels really natural.
It's a lovely place to walk around.
Ghostly Manor.
Flying chairs.
Oh yeah. Might be able to have a walk through that later. We're going at great grandparent pace today, as well as our usual toddler pace. I think it's going to be a bit slower. Oh, popcorn smell. It's that smell-o-vision of the park. Carousel. It's really nice theming. That looks fun. If we can get great grandparents to look after the kids, might have a go on that.
Really, really nice to look at.
It is. Critter Creek.
I mean, it's early doors, we've just got here, but one thing I'm noticing is just how nice it is to just look at and walk around, isn't it?
It's lovely. There's loads and loads of trees and vegetation, flowers, and yeah, it's really lovely and very, very spacious as well. You don't feel crammed in, despite there being quite a lot of people.
Yeah, it's a really, really beautiful park.
Fred, wave to great nanny. Wave. Carousel.
It's a lovely ride.
Yeah.
A beautiful granddaughter with me.
Aww. Here she comes, Billy Whiz Kid. What do you like about the park?
It's great.
Yeah, what did you say? Would say anything about the trees?
Oh, the trees are absolutely beautiful.
Good.
And the way they've been cut, them hedges, they're out of this world.
They are beautiful. Carriage and the horses.
Nice day as well.
Yeah, it's nice and sunny. It always makes a change.
So spacious here, isn't it?
It is. There's lots and lots of people, but you really don't feel.
Crowded, does it?
No, it doesn't feel crowded
Spread
at
out,
all.
doesn't it?
Kaya Bella.
Ciao, Bella. So Freddie's actually never watched Peppa Pig, but he has seen some videos of this park, some vlogs and things that we've watched on YouTube, and yeah, he looks really interested. He does keep calling Peppa Pig the Piggy Builders, however. Freddie, where you going? Go Peppa Pig, yeah. Lovely house. Yeah, I think that's the library, isn't it? Don't ask me, I don't watch Peppa Pig. It's a great theming though. Peppa Pig game. Boat trip. If your little one's into Peppa Pig, this is amazing. Great, great theming.
Even if they're not.
Even if they're not, yeah.
Builders.
If they're not, if they're into Piggy Builders, that'll do too. It's just very colourful, and obviously the rides are all toddler friendly. It's great. Miss Rabbit's ice cream parlour. Oh, dinosaur adventure. That's the bouncy dinosaurs. So Freddie, do you want to go on the dinosaurs? Yeah. Pancake kitchen. Again, some great theming. Freddie and Daddy have just gone to queue for the dinosaur ride. So we've gone to find the toilets. But we have to show this to Freddie, he'll love it. This and the other digger thing there. It's great. I think we'll definitely have to have a go on these rides in a bit. It's quite busy though at the moment, so we are thinking we might leave Peppa Pig World for a bit and come back a bit later. Boat ride. Please don't feed the ducks. Very sweet. Here they come in the distance, bouncing along. I think that's exactly what Belle wants to do, is go on the tractor.
Jump. Can you jump? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, jump. Yeah.
Freddie can spot them a mile away. We spotted the tractors, so now
1, 2, 3,
we have to make a stop at the tractors, don't we, Fred? Freddie, where are we going?
Tractors.
Tractors.
They're good tractors. They look good.
Yeah, wow. Belle's excited too. Yeah.
Tractor ride, Freddie, thank you.
It was a bit bumpy.
Yeah, bumpy one. Like a real tractor.
Yeah.
You drove it lovely, didn't you?
Yeah, we got a little
Hey?
driver.
Yeah.
Very good, but it was very bumpy,
Yeah.
so be warned.
Yeah.
It's definitely still got all those theme park tricks. You come onto this ride and you think, oh, it's just to the bridge. And then you get to the bridge and think, oh, it's just over the bridge till you get on. And then you over the bridge and then you've got that serpentine sort of queue.
Yeah, he's still got a bit of a way to go, but we're not far now. Got the great grand folks in the distance over there. They sat this one out.
Too much of a thrill ride for them.
Yep.
The ride!
Belle's happy.
Belle's on her first ride of the day.
Yeah. Ready? Who's that? Who's that? They're having a picnic? Yeah, they are.
Is that George? And that's Peppa and that's George, isn't it? I think.
I think. Look, there's the Queen. And is it the Welsh Guard with the fair hats?
Yeah.
I'll have to have a look at them from the other side. It's the Queen! Fred, it's the Queen! She's got mud on her dress.
They're all laughing. Oh, we're going into the palace.
Ooh, palace.
Not the Palace of Versailles because they're missing a light bulb.
Oh, look, there's the throne.
Wow.
No.
Is this fun though?
Look, they're doing building work.
They're waiting for you over there on the bench.
Must take a lot to maintain all these gardens. There's flowers and trees everywhere. It's lovely. That's what Belle thinks. Ah, they're on an island.
It's Grandad.
Look, Freddie, you gonna wave to Grandad?
Look, that's Grandad.
It's Grandad! Yay!
That was waving. You wave.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the park. There's lots of play parks. There's quite a big one, Junkyard Junction. There's another one here, Parking Lot Tots, which I think Freddie wants to go to. We've just gone and had a nice hot drink in cafe there. Nice yummy donuts. Yeah, we're going to go to the park. Let's go play in the park. In case you need to, there's no toilets in that cafe dining. They're just over there next to the playground. So a good tip should you need it. Nice themed shop there. Gas, the garage, driving school. If we have a bit of time. Time's getting on now. All the topiaries around here look amazing, and they look like they're real plants as well. I think it looks like they are real plants. So clever. It's so well kept, all the flowers and everything. There's real plants everywhere, and it definitely makes a difference. We're gonna go on the Rio Grande train now, as everyone can go on this. So it should be fun.
Here we go.
Is that good?
Nice with the sun.
Yeah. Hey, look! Fountain, there's water, Freddie. One big roller coaster.
You're going that one, Fred.
I think Freddie might be a little bit small for that one.
You went on the other one, didn't you? The Farmyard Flyer.
Yeah, we went on the Farmyard Flyer. The nice junior coaster for Fred. I think that one might be a little bit big.
Does that Daddy's name? Yeah, that wasn't comfortable.
Farmyard Flyer that we went on. Nice junior coaster. Look, Freddie, look, there's the tractors. That's the bumpy tractors.
Look, there's a groundhog. You've got to look for the groundhog.
Oh, groundhogs are beavers. I did wonder what they were. Oh, look at pumpkins. Pumpkins.
Like your pumpkins.
Belle wants to go and ride a pink car, I think.
Yeah, at least she can go on loads of things on Peppa Pig.
Yeah. That looks good.
So it's a big build-up of sea mode and penguin poo. They'll borrow into it and they'll leave that excellent.
And of course, no day is complete without exiting through the gift shop. This is closing time, super busy. Big dinosaur in the background. Massive toy shop. Oh, unicorn as well, and some pterodactyls. Freddie, look at the pterodactyls. Very relaxing and beautiful. Just to our usual hello from Paultons Park, we're going to say goodbye from Paultons Park. We had a bit of a few mishaps on the way. We've had a little bit of a classic young boy, and we're also potty training, so it did take a while to get here, so we were a little bit late, so we thought we'll do the goodbye, and we did rush in a little bit. So.
Yeah, and I think overall with the park we both really enjoyed it. You know, it was a lot better than we thought it was going to be.
Yeah, I didn't really know what my expectations were, but it was much higher than they were.
Yeah,
I mean,
from the other videos it didn't really show just how well it was kept. The sort of gardening deserves a complete 5 out of 5 stars. Just all the flowers and the way it's kept and the theming. It's a very good park, and definitely want to come again.
Yeah, I mean we spent about 5 hours here, roughly about 5 hours here, and we didn't even do half of it. We did Peppa Pig World and the Tornado Springs, I think it was, and that was it. Yeah. So definitely have to come back here, and you have to let us know. Yeah, do you want the grandparents to come back?
Another great grandparents takeover.
Yeah.
It's up to you. Let us know in the comments.
Let us know, yeah. Bye for now. What did you think of the day?
It was a very lovely day. We had a lovely time.
Day.
What did you think of the park?
I thought the park was excellent.
Yeah?
Yeah, so many things to do for the children. And even the adults there was great things to do as well.
Yep.
We'll come again.
Okay, very good, thanks.
This is our takeover.
What's up?
Yeah.
Go on, Mr. Director, because they're not going to... Go on then, what's up? I am filming.
Go on then.
Go on then, Gogglebox.
What's up?
Grandad says what's up, you say this is our takeover.
Oh,
Go on then, Grandad.
What's up?
this is our takeover.